These have got to be one of the most interesting skill toys I've ever played with. And coolest thing of all, you can customize them with Paracord. What's going on, weavers? Tim here again, and these are worry bricks. Now, these were created by Weston Hamilton, a very talented and multifaceted individual who is an expert on cardistry amongst other skills such as baglery and whatnot. And those in the Around Square community will most likely have heard of him. And before I forget, thank you, Wes, for sending me these worry bricks to play around with. Anyhow, he has designed these worry bricks, and they're 3D printed, and they have these magnets on the ends of each brick, and they can be manipulated in various ways, and you can do various tricks with them. So here's an earlier set that I purchased, and as you can see, the original design is a bit different. Now these are the new V2 Tacticals, and this particular model has these posts in the middle that allow you to customize them with Paracord. So these came to me woven by Weston, but when you do get them, they will not have any Paracord on them. And now Wes has used some 275 on these, but I think we can do a bit better, and let's give these worry bricks the Weavers of Eternity treatment. So I'm just going to remove this cord that's already on them, and I'm actually going to use some 95 Paracord as it's a bit thinner and I think it'll look better. So to prep my cord, I'm going to take my lighter and slightly melt the end of the cord just enough to get it to start melting. But before it melts completely, I'm going to let it cool and it will harden to a point. So this will make weaving a lot easier and essential for the end. I'm going to start by placing the standing end in between the two posts on this front facing side here and have the running end come out the side. From here we can start weaving, and this is going to be like a fishtail pattern. And just go over the first post and then under the next. Then come back going over and then under. So it's just a basic over-under pattern. And you're going to repeat going over and under and weave your way across the posts. And as you do the over-under pattern, you can push the woven cords to the starting side. So go back and forth. Weave the over-under pattern all the way across. When you get to the top and you are just about out of space, you want to finish so that the cord goes through the middle and comes out the back side. To continue the next side, you want the running end to come out the side, and then from there begin the same over-under pattern. Starting from the outside, working in, going over the first post and then under the next. And then repeat the same pattern going across again, same deal. Now when you reach the end, you want to finish in the same situation, going from the outside and then in through the middle. And this time, because we made the melted end, we can push it through the middle all the way to the other side so that both ends are now coming out the same point. And to finish, we can snip off the excess cord. Just make sure you don't cut it too close to the brick, as we're going to have to melt the ends and we don't want to melt the brick. Just melt it with the lighter and press down on the ends to lock them down. And there we have it. We have a nicely woven and customized worry brick. So I did my second brick in OD green, and I think this color combo looks super nice. So these worry bricks are super fun to fidget and play with. And if you want to get a set, please check out worrybricks.com. They are usually sold by pre-order, so you'll have to wait and see from when the next drop happens. But be sure to follow Worry Bricks on Instagram to keep updated on the latest drops and the latest tricks. Wes has also got some videos on tricks for the bricks here on YouTube, which I'll link down below, of course.